Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this OPPO A96 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. As we will see right now, at the display and brightness category of settings, at the auto screen of option, the maximum value that we can set is 30 minutes. So in order to be able to set it to never, we're gonna use the help of the third-party free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So open up the Play Store on your device, at the search bar type in Caffeine just like that. Look for this very app, its full name is Caffeine, keep the screen on, click on install, wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. As you will see right now, it will take like a few seconds, no more than that. Next, just open it, don't show again, and all that's left to do is to make sure that the value that is set at the timeout section is infinite, which will ultimately mean that your screen will not turn off automatically, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status, at least as long as the Caffeine app is active and running. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!